Have you ever heard about Kuno National Park? It's a true gem tucked away in the heart of India, in the Shiapur district of Madhya Pradesh to be precise. The park is cradled near the Vindhyan Hills, a range that adds an extra layer of charm to this natural wonder. The name Kuno isn't just a random choice, it's named after the Kuno River, a key tributary of the Chambal River that gracefully carves its way across the park, enriching the land and the life that thrives on it. This place is more than just a park, it's a testament to nature's grandeur and a sanctuary where wildlife thrives. But here's a fun fact to pique your curiosity further. This haven for flora and fauna wasn't always a national park. Did you know it was initially established as a wildlife sanctuary? Kuno wasn't always a national park. It started as a wildlife sanctuary. Nestled near the Vindhyan Hills and named after the Kuno River that beautifully cuts across it, this haven was first established with the intent of preserving and nurturing the rich biodiversity that thrived in the region. The sanctuary was a home to an array of wildlife, from the stealthy jungle cat and the majestic Indian leopard to the elusive sloth bear and the cunning Indian wolf. It was a symphony of life, a testament to the incredible diversity of Mother Nature. As the years passed, the sanctuary continued to flourish, becoming a beacon for wildlife conservation efforts. The government, recognizing its immense potential and the role it could play in preserving India's unique flora and fauna, made a pivotal decision in 2018. The sanctuary was to be upgraded, to be given a status that would offer it further protection and significance. The humble wildlife sanctuary was transformed into a national park. This upgrade wasn't just a change in name or status. It represented a renewed commitment to conservation, a promise to protect the park's inhabitants and their habitats. It was a step towards ensuring that the park's diverse ecosystems, from its tropical, dry, deciduous forests to its savanna grasslands, would continue to thrive for generations to come. The transition also brought with it new opportunities and challenges. The park became a part of the Action Plan for Introduction of Cheetah in India, an ambitious project that aimed to reintroduce cheetahs into the wild. The successful birth of 3 cubs to the Namibian cheetah Asha was a moment of triumph, a testament to the park's successful conservation efforts. And so, Kuno, once a modest wildlife sanctuary, had evolved into a national park of international repute. It became a symbol of hope and resilience, a testament to humanity's potential to coexist harmoniously with nature. The story of Kuno is a reminder of our responsibility towards the natural world, a call to action to protect and preserve our planet's precious biodiversity. And that's how Kuno transitioned from a sanctuary to a well-recognized national park. Kuno National Park is not just a park, it's a safe haven for cheetahs. The park plays a pivotal role in the Action Plan for Introduction of Cheetah in India, a significant initiative that aims to reintroduce cheetahs into the wild. Now imagine this. The fastest land animal, once on the brink of extinction, now has a new place to call home. Kuno National Park was handpicked for this ambitious project due to its ideal terrain and climate, closely mimicking the cheetah's natural habitat. The park's vegetation varying from tropical dry deciduous forest to savanna grasslands, its rocky hills and the plateaus make this location a perfect fit for these magnificent creatures. The recent birth of 3 cheetah cubs to the Namibian cheetah Asha has brought much joy and hope. This successful reintroduction has not only gained Kuno National Park international recognition, but also underlined the importance of conservation and restoration efforts. Indeed, Kuno National Park is making strides in wildlife conservation. The park's diverse ecosystem is a sight to behold. Kuno National Park is a tapestry of varied landscapes and habitats, a testament to India's rich biodiversity. The vegetation here isn't monotonous, it's a symphony of hues and textures. The park oscillates between tropical dry deciduous forest and savanna grasslands, each providing a distinct backdrop to the drama of life that unfolds here. The tropical dry deciduous forest, a canvas of lush green, is the lifeline for many species. As the seasons change, so does the forest, mirroring the cycle of life. The savanna grasslands, on the other hand, are an exploration of the color gold. These grasslands are a vital part of the ecosystem, providing shelter and food to varied species. The landscape of the park is a spectacle in itself. It's a rugged terrain adorned with rocky hills, deep ravines, and expansive plateaus. This rough and tumble topography lends a raw, untamed beauty to the park and serves as the perfect stage for the wildlife drama to play out. In the forested area, the Kardai, Salai, and Kayar trees hold dominion. They stand tall and proud, their roots deep in the soil, their branches reaching out to the sky, providing a sanctuary to countless creatures. The fauna of Kuno is as diverse as the land it inhabits. From the elusive jungle cat and the majestic Indian leopard, to the sloth bear and the Indian wolf, every creature here has a story to tell. The striped hyena, the golden jackal, the Bengal fox, and the dhole also call this park home. And let's not forget our feathered friends. With over 120 bird species, Kuno is a birdwatcher's paradise. Every tree, every creature, every hill and ravine in Kuno plays its part in the grand orchestra of life. They all come together to create a rich, diverse, and harmonious ecosystem. With such rich biodiversity, Kuno is truly a paradise for nature enthusiasts. To sum it all up, Kuno National Park, nestled near the Vindhyan hills of Madhya Pradesh, is a true treasure trove of nature. It was initially established as a wildlife sanctuary, but the government recognized its unique potential and upgraded its status to a national park in 2018. Kuno has been put on the international conservation map due to its vital role in the action plan for introduction of cheetah in India. The birth of 3 cubs to the Namibian cheetah Asha here is a testament to its success. The park's diverse ecosystem, ranging from tropical dry deciduous forests to savanna grasslands, is home to an array of wildlife, including the jungle cat, Indian leopard, sloth bear, and over 120 bird species. The landscape, characterized by rocky hills, ravines, and plateaus, is adorned by kardhai, salai, and kihair trees. So next time you think of a great place to explore, remember Kuno National Park.